In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 400 on CFB 25 Team Builder. So, if you're having problems in the College Football 25 Team Builder with this error over here on the screen, which says error 400, an unexpected error occurred during this operation, or maybe it says ajax error or something like this, we're gonna try and fix this, okay? Because there's some little things you can do. There's actually some fun tricks you can apply that could solve your issue, okay? Now, the first one, which is gonna be kind of a bold one, but still it works for some people, is to try simply closing the error with the X button in top right, which is this one, and see if it happens again when you try to save yet again. So press the X button and try to save again, and this issue could actually be solved. Now, it's not gonna work guaranteed, but it could, so try it because why not? Then the next one, which actually worked for a lot of people I read online, is to not use any special characters in your team name. So probably the most kind of the most frequent would be the and sign, or simply the comma, or maybe the dot icon, or even an exclamation mark, or the dash, which is this one, this minus, plus, or something like this. Okay, so simply don't put any of these in there, okay? No ands, commas, punctuation marks, etc. So if you tried this and saved the theme and it still doesn't work, then we're gonna go to the third step, which is that it may happen after updates, okay? And the thing is, if you've been building a team and haven't finished it, and then EA, so the developers, roll out an update in between when you're editing it, or maybe when you kind of put that down and saved it and then came back later and the update was in between that time, you might get this error while trying to save it after the edit. So we press to edit it and then you try to save it later and it doesn't work. So if that happens, maybe just start a fresh theme. Now I know this can be annoying and time consuming, however if you can't save it, it's to no use to pretty much deal with the one you've already started anyways, right? And then, if even that didn't work, you can try changing brand color on pants. Now, some users reported this worked, so changing the brand color on pants, you change it and then try saving it and maybe it works. Now, if that didn't work, simply try and save the theme without customizing the logos or the jerseys, and this could work as well. So don't customize the logo, the jersey. I know it's the feature of the game, of the team builder, but that's how it is, and you may have to have a default and it's gonna work, okay? Now, of course, hopefully. And then the fifth one would be to simply try switching your browser. Now, most of us, I assume, are using Chrome or Brave or something like this, maybe Mozilla Firefox. Try running Microsoft Edge, okay? Some people reported online that Microsoft Edge will work, so try, simply open up in Edge, sign in, and try saving there, and perhaps that could solve your issue, hopefully. And now, we have 6, which are the other basics you can try if none of the above worked. So we can try signing out and signing back in, clearing the browser cache, opening a new tab, and resetting your computer and stuff like that. But these are all the things that everybody tells you, right? And these above are actually tricks that worked for numerous people, so I hope they will work for you as well. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to my channel and help me out as well.